Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify theme customization for better mobile conversions, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Shopify theme customization for better mobile conversions, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section in the sidebar. Select themes to access your installed themes. For theme customization, click on the Customize button beside your active theme. Once in the theme editor, use the mobile view toggle to see your store as it would appear on mobile devices. Start with the header section by ensuring your logo is appropriately sized for smaller screens. Adjust the navigation menu to ensure it's user-friendly and easy to tap. Next, look at the homepage layout and prioritize essential elements like product images and calls to action. Make sure product images are optimized for mobile viewing with quick loading times. Check the product description section to ensure it's concise and easy to read on a small screen. Consider using bullet points for key features to enhance readability. Move on to the footer section, ensuring any contact information and policies are easy to find on mobile. Now, test the button sizes. They should be large enough for users to click easily without accidentally hitting adjacent links. Next, review any pop-ups or overlays, ensuring they don't hinder the shopping experience on mobile devices. Ensure that all forms are simplified and have minimal fields for easier completion. Now, visit the Settings section in your Shopify admin. Under Checkout, customize the checkout experience for mobile users to make it as streamlined as possible. Test the entire site on multiple mobile devices to identify any layout issues or navigation snags. Use tools like Google's mobile-friendly test to evaluate the mobile experience further. Analyze data from Google Analytics to see how users interact with your mobile site. Based on this data, determine any additional adjustments needed for better conversion rates. Finally, continuously monitor mobile performance and gather user feedback to make ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.